Welcome to Tales from the Caveside, where Lillian and Chris, we bought a cave house and finca on the outskirts of a small Spanish town. Follow us as we learn to renovate and create a home that we will be proud of.
Okay, I think we're going to start getting a reputation soon for crazy ideas. This room is now going to be expanded by around 8 centimetres we've measured, roughly. We've seen how easy this lot is to get off. And so the boss is going to take out a frustration or two. Watch your toes.
Yes.
Just hang on a minute. What's this? Oop. Wibbly wibbly. This room was originally bigger. That looks like plaster to me. Maybe thin lime coat of plaster or whatever was used back in the day. But as you can see, that's how much bigger the room's going to be. Awesome.
Okay, you. Will you stop thinking and making up ideas?
I know we say fluidity, but bloody hell, we're more fluid than a set of rapids.
We were very careful in removing the tiles from this wall because we wanted to save it. Because we intend to replace the toilet that was here. But we had to remove, there was a false wall here, but it was flapping in the breeze. Not attached to anything, so we removed that. And now, on closer inspection, this wall on the right hand side
It's also flapping in the breeze.
is also flapping in the breeze. If you look, none of the tiles have been, bricks have been tied in until there's one. There, hurrah! So, sorry, I'm backing out over the rubble and trying not to break my neck. If you bash that wall, it flaps in the breeze.
Go stand over there. Jesus, it'd be so. We didn't realise it was that loose.
So, it's got to come down. If anybody slipped, it would potentially come down on them. It's going to have to come down and be replaced.
And the amount of work it would involve to strengthen it, I'm sure, so we can add a door here. It'd probably be better to replace the wall anyway.
And just start again.
And start again. So, yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Good job, we've got an empty skip.
Hi. And we found a lintel.
Oh, yeah.
That's.
So removing this wall, as I said on here, that was flapping in the breeze, we found the lintel. Oh, look.
It stops there, but there's lots of support, as you can see.
Yeah.
Maybe Uri Geller put it up. You ready for jelly wall? Take 3. A log. Hey, this is great fun. You ready?
No, can we get further back? Because it's dangerous. Okay, go.
I am my own earthquake. Gravity in action. Rawr. Bit dusty. Wow.
Well, that just proved that then, didn't it?
Yeah. Point proven. And that had a roof on it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, Sahara dust time again. That's not fog. That's dust. We've been told to avoid strenuous exercise and stay indoors if you've got breathing problems. It's not particularly pleasant out here, so I'm going to go back in again. And that's it for the sun. And it is that dusty. I've been out 5 minutes already and you can feel it in my eyes. It's not nice. Not nice at all.
Okay, a little bit of a bits a day today. Bits of this and bits of that. That, as you saw before, has all been done. Chris has just taken some cement off the top up here that looked burnt almost. What was making it so black?
Well, before when it rained with the old roof on, water used to pour in there, and they used a bit like a carbon undersealer sort of thing, just to plug it up.
So it was
It actually worked.
okay. So we decided it was black and it didn't look right, and if we plaster over it, the black was going to come through. So that's just come off, and that's what he's tidying up down here right now. Sorry about the background noise of the scaffolding. This wall is now down, and we now need to tackle this wall. This white's got to come off, as has all of this. Trying to possibly preserve the wall behind, but we've said that before. We'll just have to see what happens. It would actually be nice to have a nice flat wall on this side, but fluidity as ever. As I said, bitser, so we'll take this bit off, and then everything that we've got here has got to go over there, and then we can tackle this. So we're bitsing and bobbing around, just trying to clear everything up, so that, as we said, we've got a nice plain square room to make a decision as to what happens next. Okay, so scaffolding up, and we've been removing the bits that were sticking out up here. Got to this bit that was a wall all the way up to find yet another wall that was flapping in the breeze. So we've taken it down to what we hope is stability, and gosh, I'm sick of saying it, watch this space as to what happens afterwards. Okay, having spent most of the day cleaning off all the bits of cement that were up there in a funny shape, and then the cement render off the front of this wall, we've just got that little bit left to do. We now have found we've got a problem. Go on then.
Where it was loose here, we took it off.
Yeah.
This was solid.
Yeah.
We took the render off. I've just been cleaning out all the noggins for doing across here.
Yeah.
Stuck my hand in, pulled a little tiny bit that was loose. There's more loose bits here. Stand back. This is just... The first time it was funny.
Yeah.
This isn't. That's just not funny. Not even impressed. Like, it's not. We laughed with the first one. This is just ridiculous. Not laughing now. Oh well, we'll have to learn how to.
Have to learn how to lay bricks.
How to lay bricks. But it's a nice wall behind. Might plaster it instead. So, 3 or 4 hours have been nice and careful, getting it all off. Turns out it was just this shit, no, I'm not even going to swear, this shoddy cement that was actually holding it all together.
So I had a cement render on the front, and that was pretty much just binding it all together. The rest of, because this is, well, okay, yeah, enough said.
Yeah. Hey ho. Okay, so a bit more is going to come down and then I'll get a better angle. She-Ra's going to have a go.
That was so hard. Oh my goodness.
least there's no sweary words that start with J in that way.
Oh my word. Well, we can't leave that up.
No. But we found where some original poles were for supporting the roof
I don't know
back in the day.
I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there was obviously a pole here, and you can actually see the fingerprints here where somebody is smoothed cement or yeso or whatever they fixed it with.
Yeah.
You can see the fingerprints.
And there's also the original patch of clay plaster.
Yes,
Just
this.
here. Yeah. That's incredible.
Yeah. But what on earth happened
Yeah.
here?
To make that. Don't know.
There's a space there for a pole, there for a pole.
Yeah, and above your head as well, look, all them higgledy-piggledy bricks.
Yes.
But they're solid, thank God. Don't know. Hey ho.
Well, Kai, Loki. Well, that just proves it. Never leave huskies outside alone. We were inside doing some work, left them outside where it was safe, and they've tried to reach Australia. Who did it? Did you do it? Did you make the hole? Well?
Thanks for watching the latest episode of Tales from the Caveside. If you enjoy what we're doing, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it.